Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am here with another video for you guys. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Dolago. But before I get started, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, I'm not sure why. Like, why you're not subscribed? Also, turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. The unit that I will be showing you guys is their Kinky straight bob. This is a 13x6 lace front wig. The hair length that I have is 14 inches. It's 150% in density. This unit does come with your soft lace. It comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. You do get a pre-plucked hairline, and right here I'm just showing you guys the hair texture up close. But you get a pre-plucked hairline. The knots are fairly small, and you also do get some baby hairs, so you can customize the unit to your liking if you want to use some baby hairs. Of course, I am not going to use it on this texture. This is what the unit looks like now that it has been freshly washed. Guys, look how nice and soft the unit is looking already. I used my Aussie moist shampoo and conditioner to wash this unit, and this hair texture feels so good. Sometimes some kinky straight units can come off very rough feeling, but this kinky straight unit wasn't rough feeling at all. It was very easy for me to run my fingers through and also comb through. I'm going to be styling on my mannequin head today. Of course, I'm going to leave all of the products that I use down below in the description area, along with the tripod and the mannequin head that I'm using. I clip up the hair and section it off. I will be going in using my Kaposi flat iron. Of course, this is my favorite flat iron. I don't know how many times I'm gonna talk about this flat iron, but I love it. It is affordable. I have no cons about it. As you guys can see, it gets very, very hot. Now, I am flat ironing this hair on 400 degrees. This flat iron does go all the way up to 400. Because of the hair texture, I like to kind of flat iron it, you know, not too high, but high enough to where it's going to knock out some of the texture. And as you guys can see, it's doing a good job. Some pieces I did have to run over at least 2 or 3 times, but for the most part, it definitely does get the job done. It feels so smooth when you flat iron it. Like, this hair is very soft. This is probably, out of the kinky straight bobs that I have tried, I really am feeling the texture on this particular unit just because it feels really nice, and it also feels lightweight, like it's not going to be too much. And with this flat iron, you want to be very careful because it just gets hot. It does. As you guys can see, the steam just rolling off of the hair. It gets very hot, and I've even burnt myself a couple of times with this flat iron. So be very careful with it. But like I said, for the price, you can't beat it. Ironing the hair, I am noticing that this is coming off a tad dark. Now, this is the natural black color. On the website, they do have a 1B, 2, and a number 4, but this one is definitely coming off more on the 1B side. So now I'm just going to move on to the very front of the unit. Of course, I'm not going to flat iron all of it on camera because I don't want to bore you guys, and I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me flat iron kinky straight hair plenty of times, but I just wanted you guys to see exactly what I'm doing when I am flat ironing this hair. Flat ironing this particular wig did not take me long at all because it's not super thick. Like, it says it's 150% in density, but I feel like once you flat iron the hair, it's not really thick at all. I feel like it's a little bit more manageable. It has been straightened. I'm going to go ahead and put this on my head. Now, I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit just because they were small, but they were coming off dark. So I wanted to just lighten them up just a little bit. Of course, you guys know I don't really do a lot of deep bleaching anymore, just enough to make it look natural, especially when I decide to add my powder in. Now I am going to cut off the lace on this unit. Now, I believe that this lace color is medium brown. On the website, they do offer medium brown, light brown, and also dark brown. Cap size is also a medium. However, they do offer small, medium, and large on the website. And this one fit me okay. My hair is not completely flat underneath. I do have it 2-strand twist, so it's not exactly like as flat as it would be if I had it braided underneath. So now I'm just going to go in with the wax stick, and then I'm going to take my hot comb and go around the hairline and by the parting space and just kind of straighten some of the hair out. Now this hot comb does get hot, but it's not going to get too hot to where I feel like it's going to knock out any of the texture. And then also I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator powder palette, and I'm going to go around the hairline also, and then also into the parting space. And because I put a little bit too much powder, I'm just taking my finger and blending it all in so that it could look natural. And then I'm going to go back over any pieces that I felt like needed to be, you know, looked at again, and then I'm going to slightly bump just a little bit of the hair under. Combing through the unit to make sure that I am satisfied with the look. I did notice that in the very back by the nape area, I did need to go back over with the flat iron, which you guys will see. I always try to get the nape area, especially on the shorter wigs, and then the ones that are textured, because it's going to look a little bit off. But this is the final results of the unit. It's very nice and sleek, but you can also see the texture on it. The density on this, even though like I said it's 150%, you guys can tell it's not too much hair. I do wish it was a little bit more fuller in the very front, but other than that, I honestly really don't have any complaints. The hair feels very nice, and like I said, this one just seems more manageable as far as going outside in the heat. You are going to have to, of course, go over the wig a couple of times throughout the week because it is kinky straight hair, and in this summer heat and the humidity, something that you cannot just avoid. It is a textured unit, so it is going to eventually revert back to its kinks, but a nice flat iron is going to straighten it all out. Now the cut on this looks nice. I did notice like a few little longer pieces in the back, but that's going to be easy for me to snip off. And as you guys can see, the hair looks soft, and it is coming off dark. You guys have to let me know if it's just me or maybe it's the camera, but it's definitely coming off dark. This is a 13x6 unit, so if you wanted to do like a flip over look, you could, and you get the 6 inches of parting space, so it is very versatile. As far as the hairline goes, the hairline looks good. Of course, you could go in and pluck it out a little bit more. I chose to just leave it as is because I was going to wear it in the middle part, so I felt like it looked good. But if I wanted to do a side part or a flip over, I would probably pluck it out just a little bit more. This unit does come in the length 10, 12, 14, and 16 inches. I feel like the 12-inch would be perfect. Y'all know when I get a bob, I either like 12 or 14 inches, just depending on the look that I am going for. As far as shedding and tangling go with this unit, I did get a couple of strands of shedding, but as far as tangles go, I haven't received any tangles as of yet. Let me know if you are feeling this unit, guys. It's also really affordable. I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links down below. Once again, make sure to leave me some love, comment, share, subscribe, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.